Hello and welcome. My name is Dr. Agnes Hara. I'm going to introduce you to the course that we call EEN 3504 Semantics. In my introduction, I would like you to know some background information as well as the way we assess you in this course. And you also need to know the aim of the course as well as what you need to know by the end of the course itself. And apart from all this, I'll introduce you to the topics that we're going to cover in this course, as well as some of the books that you need to borrow and read in order for you to know more about the course. So let's move on to some background information about the course. This is a course that we offer to students who are doing a Bachelor of Arts degree program in education, and especially students who are majoring in African languages and linguistics. And sometimes this is a course that is taken by students who are doing English as their major subject. The assessment method that we follow in this course is that students are required to do a mid-semester test as well as an individual assignment. And at the end of the course, students write an end of semester examination. And the weighting of the course is as follows. There is 40% that is obtained from the continuous assessment, and also 60% that is obtained from end of semester examination. And now moving on to the aim of the course. The aim of the course is to introduce students to the relationship between language and meaning, and also to discuss various approaches and theories that have been advanced in attempt to understand the notion of meaning. And so we have some learning outcomes. That is, by the end of the course, students are expected to be able to explain the meaning of meaning, and they should also be able to describe the types of meanings, and they should also be able to work out the lexical and logical relations using the componential analysis, and they should also be able to deduce meanings of syntactic constructions through identification of semantic rows, and they should also be able to examine various theories and approaches to meaning, and lastly, they should be able to discuss semantic change. So as you can see, there are a number of terms that you need to know more about this course, and these terms will be explained as we progress with this course. And now moving on to the topics of study. What are some of the topics that we're going to cover in this topic? Firstly, we're going to look at Introduction to Semantics. So as a course or as a branch of linguistics, semantics is going to be introduced. And then from there, we will move on to look at the types of meaning, and we'll also discuss componential analysis. And then the next topic will be lexical relations, and we'll move on to talk about logical relations. As you saw when we were talking about the learning outcomes, you also need to know more about the theories of meaning. So theories of meaning is the sixth topic in this course. And then from there on, we're going to talk about semantic rows, and then lastly, we will discuss semantic chain. There are some prescribed books that you need to read in this course, and there are two of them. One by Cruz and then the second one by Lyons. And apart from the prescribed books, we also have some recommended textbooks that you need to borrow from our library and also have access to from other various avenues that you may use in order to read the books. The first book is by Fromkin, which was written by two other authors, Rodman and Hyams. And there's also another book by Kempson, and then Lyons, and we also have a book by Leach. And there's also another book that has been written by O'Grady and also two other authors, Dobrovolsky and Katamba. And we also have another book, Wilson, and then lastly there is You. So we recommend you that you have access to these books, read them, especially in relation to the topics that we're going to cover. Thank you very much.